Rippling or BambooHR. Two names you see everywhere in HR tech, but which one really delivers? On the left, Rippling, unified workforce management built for scaling companies. On the right, BambooHR, the go-to for simple HR, perfect for small teams. Let's skip the catchphrases and get into what actually matters. Each category scores points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which is better for your needs. The result just might surprise you.
All right, before we dive into nitty-gritty details, check this out. Here's our mind map showing every category we'll compare these two on. So we're talking pricing and total cost, scalability and globalization, implementation and ease of use, integrations and automation, analytics and reporting, user experience and simplicity, plus compliance and HR automation. It's a full-on battle, so let's move scene by scene. Let's kick off with pricing and total cost because, who likes surprises on their bill, right? So with Rippling, it's got these flexible modules that let you scale up fast, which sounds awesome if you're planning a global takeover, but get ready because you're looking at some steep costs. You pay a base fee and an extra 5 to 15% of your total annual software spend just for Rippling's fees. So yeah, kind of pricey, especially up front. Now, BambooHR jumps in as the budget hero. It has a lower starting cost, which honestly most small businesses love, and the pricing model actually goes down as your company grows. It does sneak in some add-on costs if you need extra features, but overall it's way friendlier if you just want clean HR without burning your pocket. Winner for cost? It's BambooHR. No contest. Next up, scalability and globalization. So Rippling, okay, here's something cool. It's legit built for global teams and covers you in 150 plus countries with wild features like automated compliance and local policies. Super advanced, but if you're a tiny US-based team, that can feel kind of overwhelming, just saying. BambooHR, meanwhile, is kind of like your reliable hometown dealer. Amazing if you're sticking to one country, especially in the US. Not gonna lie, the moment you go international, it's like, not as flexible. Rippling definitely scales better and is the winner here. Now, let's talk implementation and ease of use. Rippling claims you'll be set up in 2 to 4 weeks, which is actually pretty quick. But, I'll be honest, diving into those advanced features is like solving a puzzle. Super rewarding, but not for the impatient. BambooHR, on the other hand, is so much simpler. The interface is friendly, setup is a breeze for most teams, and if you're new to this HR game, it's welcoming. The only catch? If your setup is super complex, expect the process to drag up to like 6 to 12 weeks. Still, for most folks, BambooHR wins for usability. Quick pause. For the nerds in the room, did you know Rippling doesn't just automate HR, but your IT and finance onboarding too? Like from payroll all the way to setting up someone's laptop. That's some next-gen magic. Seriously. Let's jump into integrations and automation. Rippling? Sheesh, it just flexes. We're talking over 540 integrations. Seriously, 540 plus, not a typo. And cross-app workflows that literally tie together HR, IT, and finance. If you want automation, this thing goes deep. You can even build custom workflow triggers, though, yeah, there's a bit of a learning curve. BambooHR is much simpler. Only about 50 core integrations, mostly with HR basics. And the automation? It's there, but pretty basic, honestly. So, automation nerds rejoice. It's Rippling all the way. Analytics and reporting. Oh man. This is where Rippling kind of feels like it's showing off. You get unified analytics across HR, IT, finance, like everything. Plus, AI-powered insights. A bit buzzwordy, but honestly helpful. Downside, it's not always the easiest to find what you want. For BambooHR, you get the core reports you need, and it's super simple. But once you need anything fancy, like cross-department data, it's, well, not happening. Rippling takes this one too. User experience and simplicity. So Rippling's UI is pretty clean, no denying that. But let's be real. It's geared more towards folks who love tinkering with tech. For non-tech teams, prepare for a learning curve. BambooHR, though, is ridiculously beginner-friendly. Like, your office manager can set it up in a day. Tons of praise for how easy it is, even though you trade off some customization if your needs get complex. Still, the clear winner for pure ease is BambooHR. Last up, compliance and HR automation. Rippling comes in packing major firepower here. It tracks federal, state, and local rules, for all 50 US states and beyond. It even gives proactive alerts, so nothing slips through. Not gonna lie, you need a bit of expertise for setup, but wow, it's thorough. BambooHR does give you solid compliance basics if you're small, but as soon as things get tricky, international, different states, it doesn't automatically protect you. Rippling wins if you want peace of mind and automation.
So looking at our radar chart stacked with the scores per category, you'll see BambooHR shining hard on pricing and simplicity. But Rippling just owns anything with deep tech, scalability, and big company features. And yeah, if you're a startup on the move or scaling worldwide, it's almost unfair. All right, final word. Here's what I'd say. If you're a small team, love easy setup, and want the most bang for your buck, BambooHR all the way. But if you're planning to blow up, go global, or just want the coolest, geekiest automation you can get, I mean, Rippling is just built for that. So the winner depends on who you are. But for most small teams, BambooHR sneaks the win. If you want more side-by-side software breakdowns, seriously, bookmark this channel so you don't miss the next debate. Stay tuned and make your next big tech pick the smart way.